Okay, so here what is the meaning for this one means we are thinking that so around this Europe, around this 1800 to 1850, around this period, so lot of confusion was there around the European countries, lot of confusion. So what is the confusion here means, so which one we have to follow, whether communalism or conservatism or liberalism, so many are there. So there is a lot of lot of confusion is there. So if this picture shows that one only. So how long we think with these revolutions and revolts? So which is the correct one? So like that, here questioning is there. Okay, here if you see this quotation, so how long we think? So how long we think that which one is correct? So there is a confusion among the scholars and also the thinkers. So they are called as thinkers and as scholars. So they are unable to tell which one is the correct one. Okay, there is no, so no, now present day is we are having the clear cut of democracy like that. But in those days, this is the time of turning at the time. So that at the time of this French Revolution, so they are turning about turning point from monarchy to democracy or republics. So there is confusion that which one is the correct one like that. So even the scholars also confused. Okay, and next here, silence is the first commandment of this learned society. Yes. So some of the people they are thinking. So without claiming that we are the communalism, conservatism, or liberalism, or democracy, or republic like that. So just be silent is the first commandment, or first order. So like that they are thinking. Okay. And here, so some of the join. Okay. So okay. Next one. Next other important objective from this meeting is so to avoid the eventuality whether by a member of this club may succumb to the temptation of the speech, muzzles will be distributed to the members upon entering. So what is the meaning here is means, so all the scholars are sitting there. They are called as club members. Club members means what? Revolutionary people. Okay. So revolutionary people. So there is a confusion that which one is the correct one. So how long they think, how long they fight with the revolutions around the Europe in all countries. So like that, confusion was there. Okay. And finally, so what they are giving the message here means, so just be silent is the first thing. And the second one is, so if anybody, so muzzles will be distributed to members upon entering. So whoever be entering into this meeting, so they will be hidden back. So here there are confusion is there. So think that these are the club members, that means the revolutionary people. So they are thinking that getting a power to the people is the correct one. But some people they are thinking that restoring of Bourbon dynasty or restoring of king system is the correct one like that. So if anybody comes to this place means they are ready to kick. That means they are ready to revolt against that person. So here muzzling, it is called as just muzzling. So muzzling means just beating. So like that here confusion was there around the Europe. Okay, so the main meaning of this diagram or this picture is that so there is a lot of confusion at the time of this French Revolution. So which one is the correct one, which one is the wrong one? So unable to decide. Okay, and next just we move forward. So here, okay. Next one, the revolutionaries. So again here revolutionaries is given. So apart from this, once again the revolutions are broke out. So just till now, we thought that how the peoples are started, but here different countries have different revolutions are broke out. So during the years of the following 1815, so fear of repression deprived many liberal nationalists underground. So secret societies sprang upon many European states to train revolutionaries and spread their ideas. So here, different peoples, they gathered with different opinions. And some of the peoples are giving training okay, to wage the revolts. So how to wage the revolt, how to succeed the regions, how to liberate the regions. So such kind of activities are done here. And next one, the other side is one such individual was the Italian revolutionary, so Gassappa Mazzini. His name is just Gassappa Mazzini. So born in Genoa in the year 1807, he became a member of the secret society of the Carboni. So this is one of the region, Carboni. Okay, and in this one, so first Gassappa Mazzini was there. So from this, what we can understand means here, lot of things are happened. So this is given about the Italy. So just I will explain in detail. Just to move forward. Okay. It is about the unification of Italy. Okay. So previously, just till now we discussed about Germany, France. Now, the same time, the same period, at the time of this 1800s, like that. So what is that things are happening in the Italy? So that we are going to see now here. So in Italy, what is there means here, Italy is divided into number of small countries. Okay. So I think that here Italy example just, okay. So I'm taking this here. Example, this is the Italy. Italy, we can see like this. If you take the European map, so here we can see this is like Italy. Okay. Now here Italy is divided into many number of small kingdoms. So this is Piedmont, this is Genova. Okay. Next, this is Rome. Next, this is Sicily. Okay. Next, this is Balkan region, like that. So every small state, they became a separate country. Okay, separate country. Now, some of the peoples, they are trying for grabbing the power in each region, but other peoples are thinking that to unify total Italy into single country. Okay, so unifying of all the regions is called as unification. So we must unify all the countries into single country so that our country will be strong. So that is another opinion. So for this, what happened means the unification of Italy was started. So for the unification of this Italy, nearly 4 peoples are there. So 4 peoples are participated. Okay, so first person is Gassappa Garibaldi. So Gassappa Garibaldi. His name is just I'm taking this some blackboard. Okay. So just I will take this some blackboard. Okay. So if they ask to write the unification of Italy, means you have to remember these 4 names. So very big answer, this one. So sometimes they may ask for big answers. So write about the unification of Italy. So who has unified this Italy? So there are totally 4 members are there. So first, Gassappa Garibaldi. So Gassappa Garibaldi, so his intention is to unify total Italy. So for that, what happened means, so he has made some secret alliances. Okay, secret alliances. Secret alliances means what? So secretly, many number of peoples are united. Okay, to unite the Italy. And then after that, the army was prepared. Okay, army was prepared, and with that army, so I think that Piedmont was there. So Piedmont has waged battle with Genoa, and finally in the great battle, so Genoa was defeated, and this Genoa was unified with this other one, that is Piedmont. Next, after that, Gassappa Garibaldi was died. He was died due to ill health. Okay, he was became very old and he was died. Next, after that, Gassappa Mazzini was came. Okay, Gassappa Mazzini, he has continued the unification of Italy, and he has waged battle with 2 regions, and those 2 regions are occupied by him, and they are merged with other regions. Okay, like that Gassappa Mazzini was there, and of course, he also signed some treaties and pacts. Okay, when the war was broke out, So after defeating in the war, so some treaties and pacts will be signed. Okay. Again, after Gasapa Mazini, now Count Kaur was there. So Gasapa Mazini is going to die after some time. So that means after unification of two regions. Next, Count Kaur will come. So Count Kaur, C-O-U-R. Okay, just some name is there. So Count Kaur. He was going to form separate Italy, separate army. Its name is Red Shirts. Its name is just okay, Red Shirts. Red Shirts is the name of the army, which is formed by Count Kaur. So his intention is to unify total Italy, which is continued by Gasapa, Garibaldi, and Mazzini. So once again, with this army, so he's also going to occupy some of the region, but some of the people, they are not interested to join the Italy. So for that, once again, he's going to motivate the people through his some book. So Count Kaur has written one book. So its name is It Papalo di Italica. It Papalo di Italica. This is the name of the book written by Count Kaur. So with this book, so many peoples, other regions are united. Many peoples got awareness. Okay. After getting some awareness, so some of the peoples has joined hands with Count Kaur, and then so the rest of the parts are taken by through the wars. And of course, the last kingdom is one is Sicily was there, and further Sicily, Victor Emmanuel II was there, king. Okay, Victor Emmanuel II. So Victor Emmanuel II is going to join hands with Count Kaur, and after that, Count Kaur is he was going to die as he became very old. So at the time, before he was dead, so he is going to appoint the Victor Emmanuel II as the first person for first king for total unified Italy. So Count Kaur is going to make the Victor Emmanuel II as the first king for total unified Italy. Okay. So like that, the unification of Italy was done. Okay. So this is about the unification of Italy, just brief.